Stop guessing on why your CapCut Desktop search bar and effects are missing. This is exactly how you restore your full library without failing once. Most other tutorials for CapCut are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to reinstall the software when the issue is actually UI layout glitch or a version-specific cache error that hides the search icon. Before we reset your workspace, you need to understand the logic of the layout engine, or you'll just get stuck with a blank sidebar every time you open a new project. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there's no way you can fail to get your creative tools back. Rexus is the authority on these editor fixes because we know exactly where CapCut hides the restore default command that fixes 90% of interface bugs. Look at the top right corner of your screen and realize that your missing effects aren't gone. They are just behind a panel that has been scaled out of view. As we get closer to fix, you can feel the frustration of searching for transitions, manually finally ending. Here's a secret trick that other creators missed. If your search bar is gone, you can press Ctrl+F while the Effects tab is active to force the search field to pop out, even if the icon is invisible due to your screen scaling. This pro tip works on the latest 2026 builds where the UI often clips on smaller monitors. To fix the missing search and effects and prove you are a pro, you must click the layout icon in the top right. Select Reset Layout, and then go to Settings and clear the media cache to force the effects library to re-download from the server. That specific combination of a layout reset and cache flush brings the search bar back instantly. If you want a solution for the no internet error in the Effects tab, just drop a comment below.